Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called laid down cost. Laid down cost is the sum total of cost of a product and its transportation expenses. The laid down cost is used to compare the total cost of a product when it is shipped from different resources to a customer's point of use. The invoice cost, customs, excise duty, freight, and cartridge are included in the laid down cost. Laid down costs are on the asset side of the balance sheet and are included while determining the total cost of production of an item. Laid down cost consists of the following cost. Invoice cost. Invoice cost is the price that a company pay to its wholesale dealer to buy the item for resale. The invoice cost is used to determine the final retail price of a particular item. Customs cost are the cost to be paid to the government when the goods is sent to you via courier or by any other mean. It includes VAT, excise duty, etc. in case of imports. Fees that is charged to deliver goods within a township is called cartage cost. It is also sometimes referred to as haulage. Freight is the cost incurred by the company to send a good from warehouse to the customer. It is an integral part of laid down cost. Most of you, if you are wondering then what is a landed cost, it means the same. Laid down cost and landed cost are same when you are making a purchase comparison, especially with if you are comparing purchasing from a local source and the imported source. You are supposed to compare the landed cost or laid down the cost and then arrive at a decision. Thanks for watching. Bye.